guys, welcome to the video. Today we are going to be taking a look at the H510 from NZXT. I don't know if it's just me, but I like calling the brand NZX. Like, I say NZX more than I say NZXT. So I chose the black one because I thought it would go really nice on my gaming setup. But we're going to save that for another video. So now let's just start the video. Sorry guys for the noise in the background. Our dryer is acting up right now. But never mind that. Oh yeah, and sorry for the glare. As you can see, it wouldn't really be a glare, but I don't really have any lighting. But this is basically just gonna be like another tech review. Like our last video. Okay, this is my first PC. Don't correct me if I'm pulling the PC out wrong. I'm gonna do this on my carpet. So 1 second. Alright, we're just gonna do it from here. I think the way to pull it out is just like this, I guess. Okay. Let's get this plastic off. Oh, this case is bigger than it seemed. The picture on Amazon. And difficulties. Want to be really careful with that tempered glass. Come on. Alrighty. And doesn't come off in one motion, of course. Alright, there we go. No, let's just put this on the desk. Okay, let's move it so we can see. Alright guys, I moved it to a different angle because there's too much sunlight over there. But I don't know if you can see it, but there's these scratches everywhere on the plastic. But let's just get to the moment you've been waiting for. Now let's just peel that plastic off. Let's go slow. Ooh. So I've watched a ton of videos on PCs. This is gonna be actually my first PC build, but like I said, that'll be for another video. This is just the case. But I've watched a lot of videos. I did a lot of research. I don't even really have the parts for this case. And I'm still so excited and hyped. It'll probably take me a year before I can make the money. I actually don't know how to take this off. Hope I don't break the tempered glass. Am I doing it right? Okay, I'm doing it right. Looks like it's coming off. Whoa, that scared me. I'm just gonna lay this on my bed. So now we're just gonna look at what it comes with. So first things, as you can see, I don't know if you can see it, but right here, this is a stock fan from NZXT. And I don't know if this is intake or outtake, but we have, can you see that? Another one right there. And this case comes with a basement. Looks like we have some wires down here. 1 second. Alright guys, so I was kind of slow. The wires down here are for the fans and for the wires that run up here and, oops, right there. So I'm not gonna actually take that out the bag until I start like actually building the PC and I get all the components for it. But now let's just go over the rest of the stuff. So up here we have our power button, our USB port, our USB-C port, and our aux port. And we're gonna take a look at the back. This is why I really bought the case, because I really want some good cable management. I don't want my cables to be everywhere. And luckily, this case has their own method, of keeping cable management. Okay, I don't know if I'm taking this off wrong. I do. Oh, there's another thumb screw. Okay. Like I said, I'm slow. As you can see, whatever this is, I actually don't know what this is. Let's open this. I think this is the manual. Yeah, it's the manual. And some zip ties, which is really convenient, like I was just talking about. Oh, it also comes with an aux cord. That's cool. But like I was saying, it's really convenient to have these around. I don't think I was ever going to buy any zip ties, but I do want my cable management to be really good. Like, I don't want no wires everywhere. And they have some Velcro straps, which is really good. And here are all your ports that will go into your motherboard. And right here we have 2 SSD hard drive holders or whatever. Sorry, I'm not really good with this. Turn it around one more time. Oh yeah, let's look at the bottom. I think we have a dust filter here too. It's a dust filter for your power supply. And I'm probably holding this wrong. And I think this case, I don't know if you can see right here, it can hold about 3 fans, which I was gonna throw in some RGB fans in there, cause I'm all about RGB. I don't know what my theme is gonna be for this yet, but that's pretty much it. Wait, and it also has motherboard standoffs, so you don't have to really get your own, depending on the motherboard actually. Overall, this is a very it's like a good budget PC case. I would recommend this if you're building your first PC like me. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll leave a link in the description for this PC. Sorry for the noise in the background. Like I said, the dryer was acting up, and I also have a lot of family members over. But if you made it to the end, I just want to say thank you for being here with me. Make sure you go subscribe, like this video, comment down your thoughts and below. And yeah, that's it. Bye.